me how to be closer to you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my mommy channel. My name is Mason.
My name is Julian.
My name is Mommy. And what are we doing today?
We're stuffing envelopes.
Whose envelopes?
Ours.
Good. Okay, so who are we starting with?
Mason.
Mason, so you're first, right? So what do we do here?
Open it.
Okay. Wow. Looks just like it.
Open this.
All right, so first thing we need to do, actually, we need to unstuff this, right? We need to lay out the money.
If I can, but it says church.
Okay, so Julian got this open. So here, what do we do?
The fives. The fives, you gotta put it here.
Good job. And then the ones?
You put it right here.
Oh, good job. So you've been watching my YouTube channel, huh? I mean, my videos. So each one is stuffing $7.
And then the quarters go right here.
We're gonna leave them here for now, okay? So, all right. So Mason, you are getting how much? $5, right? So you want to put $5 in your envelope?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead. So you have to open it like this.
Oh, it's like a little ziploc.
Okay. Okay, so next, what do we have? What does it say there?
Church.
And when do we go to church?
On Sundays.
Yeah, so why do we need to put money in here?
Is this real or fake? I'm just knowing.
To put money in the
This
basket.
is real. What do we need this for?
To put money in the basket.
Yeah, and what do they do with the money?
They deposit it
To help homeless
to
people,
help homeless
right?
people. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so Mason,
And church is to pray to God too.
good job. So Mason, you want to unzipper this?
Yeah.
So go ahead and unzipper it so it goes this way. And for church, we are going to be putting, we could put $1, right?
It's hard to open.
Go ahead, put it in. Oh wait, not like that.
So fold it. I folded it.
We can put it straight, you see, if it's perfect, right? And then now, what are we doing here?
Toy shopping.
Yeah, to Target. So what we're gonna do here, we actually need a marker or a crayon. Julie, you wanna go get a marker or a crayon because I forgot to bring
I'll
one.
go.
Yeah,
I'll go get a crayon.
All right, so we brought this in. All right, Mason, so what color do you want?
Red.
Red?
I'm picking it red.
And Julian?
Green.
Okay, so
You
we
got
can...
the green color, red.
All right, so we're just gonna put this to the side. So Mason, this you have to color in, you will be putting in $1 and $2. So you can color 1 and 2.
I'm good. I'm good at coloring it in. Ah! Ooh, shoot.
Okay, so you have 1. Good job. So what does 1 plus 2 equal?
1 plus 2?
Uh-huh. So put your fingers out. 1.
1, 3.
And then, good job. So here you are adding $3, right? So you can grab $1. And you can put it in here. And then here, we're gonna grab $2 from here. So do you know how to count these?
Yes.
How many quarters does a dollar make?
4.
4 quarters. Okay, so how many quarters do we have here?
2.
Okay, so how many more do we need?
2.
2 more, right? Okay, so go ahead and grab 2 quarters. And
I
put
already
'em-
got 2.
Let me see. Nope, that's a nickel. So we have 3. Wait, no. 3. And then another quarter. Look, so that's $1. So go ahead and put it inside your envelope. Actually, we need another $1. So do you know how to count by 10?
Yeah.
So 10. All right, so now it's Julian's turn. So Julian will be stuffing $5 for his envelope.
Oh no.
So you need help.
Yes. It's so hard to open because it's thin.
And then here, the next one is what?
Church.
And church is getting how much?
$1.
There you go. So you have to unzip this.
Unzip. Oh.
So just make sure you
Yeah,
spin it like this, and then maybe you want to flip it so all the bills can be
Straight.
Yep. All right, so zipper that. And then next you have,
Toy shopping.
go ahead. And toy shopping is getting $3, right? I'll make sure this is completely like,
I'm just gonna open it this way.
okay. So you are going to be coloring in $1 and $2. Okay, good job.
Looks like real money.
It is real money. So go ahead, put it in here.
The green crayon.
Oh. So we'll be putting that in there.
Oh no. Wait, mine needs a little help.
You got it.
Yep, got it.
Good job. So no, wait, don't. Where's the money?
Oh, the money.
So we'll be putting $1 in there. So you go ahead and put that in there.
It's in the back.
And then we should count. We should have $2 here, but let's go ahead and count. So do you know how to count?
Yes.
Okay, so let's pull out $1 first.
$1. 1, 2, wait, 25, 50, 75?
Mm-hmm.
$1.
Okay. So now, and now you put $2 in here. Now you need another $1.
Yeah, $1. I'm gonna do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
$1. That's it. So you put that in there. All right. So we are done here. So, right?
Yep.
And now here we are using this little box so we can put like any loose change that we may have throughout the day. And then by the end of the week, we will be stuffing it. So this money is all like their allowance money that they get, and then the loose change. So yeah. Well guys, that's it for today.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And we'll see you
Next time.
Bye.
We'll see you next